In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove uploaded images on Slack, step by step. This is really useful if you've shared the wrong image, uploaded something by mistake, or simply want to clean up old files from your Slack workspace. The best part is that this process is quick, simple, and doesn't require any special permissions beyond access to the message itself. If you're new here and you enjoy simple software tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Slack and go to your Slack homepage or workspace where the image was originally uploaded. This can be any channel, direct message, or group conversation where you shared the image. Take your time to locate the exact message that contains the image you want to remove. Once you've found the image, move your mouse cursor over it. When you hover over the image, you'll notice a small menu appear in the top right corner. Click on the three dots icon to open more options. This menu gives you additional actions you can perform on the file. From the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Delete File. Click on Delete File to proceed. Slack will then show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to remove the image. This step is important because once the file is deleted, it cannot be recovered. If you're sure you want to remove it, click on Yes, Delete this file. After confirming, Slack will instantly remove the uploaded image from the conversation. The image will no longer be visible to you or anyone else in that channel or chat. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed an uploaded image on Slack. This same process works for most files and images you upload, as long as you have permission to delete them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Slack tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.